This is Fox 26 Morning News at 8 a.m. Connected to you.
We know a woman who will tell you that Chinese core values combined with American ingenuity can take you a long way towards success. She's the author of Why Chinese Women Are Not Broke, and we welcome her this morning, Giovanna Peng Garcia. Good morning to you. We're so glad you're here, and you have a lot to teach us this morning. So what does the title mean?
Well, the title, it's about combining Chinese core value to the Americans' ingenuity. And when I say why Chinese women are not broke, is because I interviewed 100 most successful Chinese American women across the United States, got their stories distilled down to 7 simple proven keys that anyone can adapt.
So you're going to share a couple of those keys with us so that we can learn how to do that as well?
Absolutely. Okay. With the time restraint, I'm going to cut it short. I'm going to stay focused. So let me give you one to start. It's the most important one. So are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, here it comes. It's hard work. You're looking at me like, that's it?
No, that's important. It's something that sometimes we forget about.
Yeah, and it's not something that you never heard of before, right?
Right.
So here's the thing. Most things that are important in life, it's not what it is. It's the how and the why. And what makes the Chinese American woman interesting is their ability to stay connected to those core values. Why? And the reason I'm going to share with you why is our upbringing of the core value for our family and our respect and honor to our family. When you address someone in our culture, you address them by their family name first, not their first name. And that thought of doing something for making your family look better, showing pride, bringing pride to your family, we take that from family to when we go to school. What we do, bringing pride to school, to the workplace, to the state, to the country, to the world, and that's what makes us successful.
So this is something that parents need to start early on with their children to make them successful later in life, is make them realize how important it is.
Yeah, because it's like anything. You don't just train the day before you get a job started. You train all your life for it. So we need to start teaching them that, and that's what Chinese culture does. We will instill in very little that as a young age, we need to work hard and nothing comes for free. We
certainly have plenty of poverty here in the United States, but also some struggling going on in China. So how does your book parlay there in China?
In China, we have the same core value that I talk about, but the difference is the structure of the society. It's, they're coming up to the forefront to be more democracy and all that, but it's not exactly the same. So in America, we're flourishing, the Chinese American, because we have no handcuffs. We can reach as high as we want. There's no power distance versus we have over there. So we can achieve success in China as women, but not as great of a success.
The book is Why Chinese Women Are Not Broke. It can help everybody from every background.
Absolutely.
And where can we find it?
It's on Amazon.com, and it's also on my website called WhyChineseWomenAreNotBroke.com.
Giovanna Peng Garcia wrote it, and we appreciate you coming in this morning.
Thank you, Melissa.
Thanks, and hopefully we're going to go work hard now.
Yes.
Jose.
8:55 right now.